Hello guys, today Dubstechnology Present. I beg to all of you to like and subscribe on my channel, because your support is the best to grow up this channel. Back to topics. So, Samsung's just released Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus flagship phones are the two most powerful handsets the company has ever built, Zach Epstein writes for BGR. Early reports suggest they are not selling anywhere near as well as last year's Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus, but that's understandable, since they feature a design that is nearly identical to Samsung's 2017 flagships. Some Samsung fans who are holding out and skipping the Galaxy S9 plan to wait until later this year to check out the other high-profile flagship phone Samsung will ship in 2018, the Galaxy Note 9, Epstein writes. Unfortunately, though not surprisingly, the first big Galaxy Note 9 leak brings some news that is less than ideal. On Wednesday afternoon, we covered the first big Galaxy Note 9 leak of the year. Geekbench 4 benchmark test results were discovered on the Geekbench website, giving the world its first taste of the upcoming Note 9. The phone's scores were roughly in line with the current Galaxy S9, which isn't surprising, since the Note 9 that appeared on the Geekbench site is powered by the same Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 chipset, Epstein writes. So, how did the Galaxy Note 9 do? It racked up a respectable 2190 on the single-core Geekbench 4.2 test, and an 8806 on the multi-core test. They have the Android versus iPhone crowd reeling. Why? Because this year's Galaxy Note 9, which will launch around the same time as Apple's 2018 iPhone lineup, won't even be as powerful as last year's iPhones. Apple's single-core scores are nearly double the Galaxy Note 9 score. The single-core score is arguably the more important score, because it indicates how well a phone performs while handling typical everyday tasks. Apple's 2017 iPhones also reach as high as 10,005 on the multi-core test, topping the Note 9 score of 8806 by a wide margin, Epstein writes. Add to that a next-generation Apple A series chipset that will undoubtedly offer levels of performance that have never been seen before on any mobile device, and you've got a next-generation iPhone lineup with power that is going to absolutely pummel the Note 9 and other 2018 Android phones. Thanks for watching, so always stay tuned with new videos from my channel. Let's like, subscribe, and share my friends, cause you all the best.